Did you ever notice why every trader get lost into the chart? So many red and green candles. Where to put stop losses, where to enter the trade, where to put target. Welcome everyone to Heikin Ashi candle. Let's see how Heikin Ashi candle can help us in trading smoothly. So what is Heikin Ashi? It was created by the Japanese rice trader named Munehisa Homma in the 1700. It is basically cutting out the noises and providing you with the average prices. It shows you the overall trend direction. The formula of averaging the price is open plus high plus low plus close divided by 4. Different type of candle: bullish, bearish, doji. Bullish, no lower wick; bearish, no upper wick; doji, long upper wick and long lower wick. Traditional versus Heikin Ashi candle. Traditional shows you the real price. Heikin Ashi shows you the average price and filter out the noises. Here is a Japanese candle. Which is showing you the actual price, and Heikin Ashi is showing you the uninterrupted trend and the smoother rise. How to set up? Open the TradingView with a normal candle as a preset. So your candlestick will look like this. Then change the candle bars to Heikin Ashi candles. It will get converted into the Heikin Ashi chart. Advantages: it shows you the clear trend direction, cut out the noises, and work best in any market. Limitation: it's a lagging indicator as it is averaging out your prices, so it takes time to show you the candles. Not suitable for the intraday trading, cannot work alone. You need to club up with other indicators. So trading strategy: you need to find the trend, spot the reversal, enter after confirmation, stop loss below confirmation candle. Target is your next resistance. If you look at this chart, you will enter at the first green candle after the downtrend, and stop loss will be your low of that green candle. Target will be your next resistance. Combination are support and resistance, premium discount, EMA 5200, and RSI. So I did the backtesting. The result came out 50%, which is pretty average, as it is not suitable for the intraday trading. You need to trade into the higher time frame. So let's see some of the results. So one of the win is short, where I entered when I saw the dojis and the color changing bars. I entered the short and took a target at the next support area. The loss: I entered at doji and color changing bar, but it took my stop loss. Another loss, which I entered at the doji for the short, but it took my stop loss and it went against my trading ban. One of the win is I entered at the color changing bar and took a profit at the next resistance. So my final verdict after backtesting: it is not recommended to trade alone with Heikin Ashi candle. Always club with other indicators, and mostly it should be used to see the overall direction, not to do the actual trading, actual scalping in an intraday trading. And you can club with other indicators to get a better results. Just leave a comment if you were surprised to see the 50% or what were your expectation for the backtesting result. And if you like this video and it was helpful to know what is Heikin Ashi candle and how can we trade and what was the backtesting review, so please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe, and like button. See you next video.